Welcome back to Wild Waves, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of bird nests. The incredible behaviors involved in their construction. Have you ever wondered why our feathered friends are such skilled architects? And how do they build their nests? From weaving intricate nests with twigs and twine to using mud and saliva as natural adhesives, birds never cease to amaze us. But what's the real story behind these elaborate homes? Let's unravel the mystery together. Imagine a tiny hummingbird creating a delicate cup nest, or a mighty eagle crafting a massive platform high in the trees. Each species has its own style. First and foremost, nests are the ultimate nursery for young birds. They provide a safe haven for eggs and chicks, protecting them from the elements and predators. But that's not all. Nests are also meticulously designed to regulate temperature, humidity, and even sound. Birds are nature's engineers, and their creations are marvels of design. Let's talk materials. Birds are incredibly resourceful, using everything from soft feathers to sturdy sticks. Some even incorporate spider webs for flexibility and mud for stability. For a moment, just imagine the craftsmanship involved in creating these diverse and complex structures. Birds build nests to provide a safe and cozy place for their eggs and young. They choose their nesting materials based on their species' specific needs, using twigs, sticks, mud, grasses, or even spider webs. Some birds decorate their nests with twigs, feathers, and other items to camouflage them or attract a mate. Building a nest can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, or even months, depending on the species and complexity of the nest. While some birds reuse their nests, others build new ones each year to ensure their safety and comfort. Despite their varying sizes, shapes, and materials, birds' nests are a testament to their remarkable engineering skills and parental care. And then there's the drama of territorial battles. Nests are not just homes, they're fortresses for birds. They fiercely defend their territory, often engaging in epic battles to protect their offspring. It's a fight for survival, adding another layer of intrigue to their nesting behavior. Did you know that some birds, like the sociable weaver, build massive communal nests that can house hundreds of birds? And the male bowerbird constructs elaborate structures decorated with colorful objects to attract a mate? These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity in bird nesting behaviors. Some bird species, like the horned coot, they create floating nests on lakes and use stones to anchor them in place. And the edible nest swiftlet builds its nest almost entirely from its own saliva, which hardens into a glue-like substance. These nests are even harvested to make bird's nest soup, a delicacy in some cultures. And don't forget about the clever tactics some birds use to deter predators. For example, the killdeer bird feigns injury to lure predators away from its nest, performing a dramatic broken wing act to protect its eggs and chicks. Thanks for soaring with us today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating wildlife stories. Until next time, keep exploring.